Hi, my name is Adrian Bryan. I'm from Wrexham. I volunteer with Bishop's Own Scout Group, which again is in Wrexham. I was a youth member there when I was 7 until I was 18. Went off to university. Towards the end of that, I sort of young leader group for being section, the youngest. A few years after university, my old leader phoned me up out of the blue and asked me to help him for 2 weeks. And years and years later, I'm still there, and I'm now Group Scout leader, Explorer leader. So sort of coordinate the adults as well as the youth people, run the exec committee, look after the building, and just make sure the activities are of the highest quality for the young people, which I think we've done really well. Shocked to be nominated, never mind the winner, but I'm very pleased to pick it up. As the Minister said, there's 1 million volunteers, so to be one of the few here is very shocking and very pleasing.